This is a tutorial video today how we make our standard gates. We've a budget gate and we've got the high end gates and then we've got our standard gate. So this is the first process, right? This is wood I get specially treated and made by it. That's 3.5 inch wood, right? About 1.5 inches, right? Or it's, let's go 90 mil, but I'm old school. Now what I do, I cut a wee off cut off it, right? And to make this idiot proof, to make it easy for you, right? I centre the line. Now, see if your centre's off, mark the top of the wood with T top. Yeah, quite simple, that, isn't it? So as you know exactly to keep that bit at the top all the time. Then get your three, this is your 3 bars there, the top, middle and bottom rail, right? Mark them all with that, right? Okay, and then that way you know, you just go like that. Let me show you this, so it's self-explanatory, right? Now there, and you just get your pen and mark through and that's it. Okay, can't go wrong, you do the opposite side, opposite side. Now these are your supporting rails as I call them, right? Now as you'll see there, I've marked it there at 4 inches with a gap there, you see, the 4 inches there, and then I'm a 3 foot centre, right, there. And I do an 8 inch there, so that's actually works out. This one is actually, is 10.5 because the centre of the wood is there to get your curve, because this is going to be an arch gate, right? Now, I hope this is all okay for Graham Reid, who's a master carpenter, I'm led to believe, and works at Yarrow, Shipyard. I don't think they call it Yarrow now, but I'm calling it Yarrow. Now, Graham, I hope this gate is not like some of your work up and down like Captain Pugwash, Graham, right? Because they tell me sometimes you've been a master carpenter, their boats, you go like that with the work. Well, wait and see. So send me some of your work, Graham, to see it. Graham Reid for Yarrow Shipyard in Glasgow. Anyway, and keep following me, Graham, never mind what I say about you. Right, let's get back to the nitty gritty. So what I'm going to do now is, put that down. You're going to be glad I'm going to stop talking for 5 minutes, but the video's going to run. I'm going to get these here dominoes. These are 14 mil by 140, big heavy duty stuff. But with one there, somebody's kicked a gate in and broke them. So they haven't, we've sorted that. Never seen it before in all the years I've done, never mind. So here we go, we're going to get the sucker on. It's going to make you all happy, it's going to cut me silent. And I'm going to be like Harold Lloyd or Charlie Chaplin, I'm going to be talking like that, okay? Right, and you see what we do. You'll never hear me, right? So get this on, we got that. Sometimes you don't get it all out, you need to do it all hold about. You can know I think it gets a hoot and then you know exactly everything about them. See that there, the thumb's coming there, right? And you can show you right now, you see this here, to show you an example, like, here's that one, and see it coming out. See? It does come out. Look at that there, look. That's a nice clean hole, you see. You can do that there. Right, and that's that done. And also they're good for taking sawdust out your ears. That's another good trick, right? Right, so that's that done there, right? So, now, if you see this machine, I'll hide the name of it. Everybody will know the reason, they'll be laughing. But if you come in here, you'll see the wee marker there, and the wee line there, right? You see? And then that there marks so you know you're exactly centre on. So see when you're doing that, look. See there you go, and that's when you know you have 2 points there, there and there, right? Okay, but it's a good machine that, by the way. I've just got another one, the 500, I haven't used it yet, we'll see what that's like, it turns out, like, I've just got the 500 there, and that's the 700, two of them, I swear by these machines. Then what you do is, there you hit Neil with a bit of wood, that's him in the foot pen, soon me, Chloe. Just in his knees, lying in the ground. There he's laughing. No, Neil, you're not suing me. Right, so what you do is, you get these here, get your dominoes, and you'll never chat with these because they'll never let you down, right? Right, and then don't be fair. Get plenty of glue in. Don't be greedy. I'm telling you, right? Hammer it in, right? Put the